In this video, you'll learn how dropshipping works and discover why it's an optional way for you to start a new business. One of the best things about dropshipping is that it allows you to start your business with very small money down and with very little risk. A low risk factor comes from the fact that you only have to pay suppliers when you sell something, and you don't need to buy wholesale loads of stock. Not having to buy wholesale stock also means that you don't need to invest in storage unit or a warehouse to sell your inventory, which can eat up your profits. Another exciting benefit of dropshipping is that you can offer your customers a wide variety of items. This is because you're not limited to dealing with just one supplier. And what you'll love most about dropshipping is that you can get started right now. You don't need to save money, take care about bank loan, create a showroom, or anything else to get started today. And now, let me quickly explain how dropshipping model works. Dropshipping actually is really straightforward, but there are a couple of steps involved. The first step is always to find a dropshipping supplier that you can trust and who has the products you want to sell. After you've got a supplier and found necessary products, you can start advertising your supplier's products on your website. And when you make a sale, you move on to step 3, where your customer pays you directly. Most of the buyers won't know or won't care if you are dropshipping your products, so to them, this is a normal transaction. In step 4, you place an order with your dropshipping supplier. Just select the product or supplier's website, add it to your shopping cart, and pay using PayPal or your credit card. You pay supplier's asking price and keep your profits for yourself. Step 5 is when your supplier does the work. They take an item from the inventory, pack it, and ship it to your buyer. The last step is simple. Repeat. The process of dropshipping is not changed from transaction to transaction, and as you can see, it's very straightforward. When it comes to the success of your dropshipping business, finding good suppliers is at least half the battle. Instead of spending countless hours looking for a reputable dropshipping company, we recommend choosing Aliexpress.com. Aliexpress now features more than 100 million products supplied by more than 200,000 exporters and manufacturers. And what's more, Aliexpress offers free shipping on many products. The delivery works for 200+ countries and regions with online shipment tracking and a wide range of shipping methods. There is a buyer protection system with full money-back guarantee. Hopefully, this video explained you the dropshipping business model and you're ready to take action. Get started right away by joining our community of successful dropshipping business owners. Order your own professionally designed web store and start your dropshipping journey today.